Hey everybody, welcome back to Lucky Day Farm. It's been a while since you've all visited us here. It's been a busy few months, enjoying some time on the trails, and work has been really busy for both of us. So we haven't had much of an opportunity to do some videos here. So let's check in on everything here. Go down and visit the boys in the barn and see how Rip and Finnegan are doing and see how the chickens are doing as well. So let's go out and have some fun. What do you think? Should we? All right.
Like that.
All right, so let's head down to the barn here and let's start our chores. Hi, Lox. Hi, kitty kitty. She's waking up from a nap. So we'll start off here. I'm gonna start off by feeding the kitties here. Cute little things, aren't they? But yeah, we're gonna start off by feeding the kittens. Then we're gonna clean up the stall from last night. Mornings were pretty quick chores in the morning, so get home from work, we'll clean up from the night before we stall them for tonight. Rips doesn't look too bad today, so I forgot one important thing. I need my fuel. I need to go up and get a Hams. Got my Hams. All right. Looks like we got all 7 cats there eating. They are hungry. Look at them all chow. Kids are doing pretty good. They mostly eat soft food, but they do eat hard food throughout the day as well. It's got to pound those calories in those cats, especially the mamas. All right, so I'm about to start the chores here. So what we do here at Lucky Day Farm, at least the way I do it, is I do have a muck bucket. If there's not much in the stalls, I'll just lightly clean the stalls up with that. Otherwise, if there is a big mess, I will grab the cart out. Like you've seen in previous videos, what I'll do is I'll bring the waste and dump it in the back of the Kubota that I have parked over here. Net right, Rip. Huh? All right, so let's get the stalls cleaned out here.
Like that.
All right, so Finnegan's stall's pretty good. Britt's stall looks really good too. I think Beth cleaned it up a little bit last night as well. So thank you, Beth. All right, so stalls are all cleaned out. What I'm gonna do now is grab some hay, throw them in the hay mangers, grab a little grain, throw them in their bowls. I do this before I put them in the stalls, so it's just a little easier to do it that way. So let's get these boys fed. Alrighty, so got the hay, got the grain, stalls are all cleaned out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the boys and put them in their stalls.
Like that.
All right, so as everybody saw, Rip tried going into Finnegan's stall with them. So I don't know what he was doing today, but it doesn't usually happen. But figured it out and went back into his own stall. So now you can see they're back there eating their grain, and they'll finish that up and they'll start digging into their hay. So got them in there now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down to the well and get them some water. I'm gonna fill up their buckets with some water right now. So we'll see you back here with some water in a few minutes. All right, so I got the water brought up here. Both their buckets are filled up, so I'll just show you where I'm putting the water in here. So I do, each of the boys have a bucket in here. So got those full of water for the night. They are chowing away here. Good hay, huh, buddy? Yeah. Good boys. Once again, we got Rip here is a Missouri Fox Trotter. And then we got my boy Finnegan over here, the Knucklehead. He is a Tennessee Walker. Both really good boys. And then you got Scotty in here trying to eat whatever she can. Come on, Scotty, out, come on, out. All right, so they're both settled in here for a little bit. Cats are done eating, as you can see. Pretty cute. All right, so down here, one of our first videos I showed the barn tour. Got 8 bales left down here. So what I do is every week I throw down about 9 bales in the winter. Go through about 7. So I suppose 7 bales. So we try to keep 9 down here. Throw them down once a week. So at night here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this door closed up, keep the wind out of the barn here. And then I'm gonna go take my muck bucket and empty it into the Kubota here. It's getting pretty full. Looks like I probably need to empty this thing in the next day or so. So let's grab the muck bucket and get that thing emptied.
Like that.
Johnny looks naughty. All right, so one of the last things I do is I sweep the barn up down here. Just kind of sweep the aisle up and sweep that up down there. So usually try to do that every day. Keeps the barn a little cleaner. So let's get back to work. All right, so we wrapped it up in the barn here. Boys are doing good, look happy. All right, so now we're gonna head over. We're gonna grab eggs from the chickens, see how the chickens are doing. Hi, girls. All right. Going to run here. Check on their food, see how they're doing there. Say hi to the girls. Huh? Oh, yeah, there we go. There. So, this is my girl, Franny. She's my favorite. Don't tell the other girls. She's a cutie. Isn't she cute? Lets me pet her every day. Yeah. There you go. All right. So let's go check on their Alright, doing good on water. Doing good on feed. Good on feed for another couple days. Say hi. So we got Franny, got Canarda. Everybody's wondering, what is Canarda? What's that mean? Well, Matthew named a chicken Canarda, which is French for duck, is what I'm told. And we got Ruth. Hi, Ruth. Yeah. We got Gretchen. And then we got Irma. And the other in the coop right now, we've got the other one. Can't remember her name now. Isn't that terrible? Ginny. That's what it is. Ginny. Yeah. Drawing a blank there. All right. So let's go in the coop and let's grab some eggs. All right, so let's head into the coop and grab our eggs for the day. We've been getting about 6 eggs every day, so it's been a couple days a week when we get 4 or 5, but for the most part, getting about 6 eggs a day. Setup is working pretty slick so far. Unlatch the top here on this side. See how many eggs we got here? We got 4 over in here. Working out pretty slick. Don't even have to go inside the coop at all. All right, so we got 4 so far. Let's see what we got on the other side. Let's see if it's a 5 or a 6 egg day. Got 6 yesterday. So let's see what we got today. Oh, none on this side today. So we got 4 eggs today. I'm expecting the girls to slow down their egg production a little bit. Get shorter days, or they go in the, I think it's called molting. So don't lay as much. They are half the girls are nice big chickens, so it's fun having them. All right, so we got our eggs for today. So let's go back to the barn and just chill for a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go back to the barn. We'll finish my hams. But, show you what Beth and I finished up last weekend. I guess I could have probably done a video on it, but I didn't. Wasn't thinking. Maybe lazy, I don't know. But we got all of our wood all split up for the winter. Got most of the oak over there, and this pile is silver maple. That's what most of that is. So that's, I think it's got to dry for the winter. I just split the logs up now. It was a tree that's been down just for a little bit, but it's pretty wet yet, so that'll be next year's burn. And hopefully this will get us through most of the winter. I might have to get a little bit more wood. We'll see. So now we can go down and have our hams. Sit with the horses, visit with the horses a little bit, maybe give them a couple treats. All right, so I got a couple treats for Finnegan and Rip. Bought these the other day. They seem to really like these. I don't think this is the first time we've tried these. At least I have apple and oats, made by Purina. Give them one. They're pretty good today. Well, at least what I've been home. Want a treat there, Finnegan? There you go. What do you think? Yummy? All right. Let's go over and give rip one. All right, you want a treat, buddy? A treat? There you go. There you go. Good stuff. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah. All right, so let's sit down and have a hams. Come on, Scotty, get out of here. You're not supposed to be in here. Come on. See, everybody, that is why this dog is a little chubby. She keeps eating shit. Like, eating shit. All right, everybody. Cheers. Good day at work. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Kind of got to see what my daily chores are. Down here finishing my beer with the boys. One of my favorite parts. Yeah. Love my life down here on Lucky Day Farm, that is for sure. So hopefully everybody has a happy and a lucky day, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.